Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equaser. In this video we are going to use this TI-30XS scientific calculator to learn how to convert polar and rectangular. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's do some trigonometric calculations. We have, for sine, cosine and tangent, we will enter cosine, for example, 8.3 degrees. Sometimes you need to specify this unit, because if this is not degree, if I press mode, as you can see, this is not degree, it's radian. So the value will be assumed whatever is the default one. So now I select radian and press clear. So we can enter cosine of 8.3. Now cosine of 8.3 degree is this value. If I press mode and radian and clear, now it assumed that radian and 8.3 is minus 4.3. So keep that in mind. If you are in radian and if you want to enter here degree, if you want to explicitly enter 8.3, this is how you do it. Press cosine of 8.3, and in this case second function angle, and from here we can see all these options and more. One is degree, so now it explicitly says 8.3, and if I press enter, the answer is in terms of degree, and the answer is in terms of degree. If you, let's say, sine of pi over 2 in terms of radian, if I so here press sine of pi over 2 with the arrow go to the right, and then angle, second function angle, let's go down until you see r, radian, number 4. Now it says pi over 2 radian, close and equal, and we got the correct answer. I'm pressing clear. Now for a right angle triangle, this is supposed to be, so this is right angle triangle. If we have sine of this theta 0.8, the question would be, what is this theta? Or for cosine of this angle is cosine of theta is minus 0.5. What is the angle? This is the same with right angle. So we do inverse. Inverse of 0.8 will give you the theta. For that we do like this. So we press second function and sine. Now it's inverse and 0.8. This is in radian. Now we have to enter it in, we have to say that this is, if you want the answer in degree, let's change mode, and then the degree is selected, press enter, highlight moved, clear, and then enter. It gives you now the degree. And if you want it in 2 decimal places, let's press mode, come here to the float and select 2. But remember to change it back, enter. Now 2 is highlighted, clear. If I press equal again, 53.13. And this is how we change the float. And let's say cosine of same thing. And if we want to do it for cosine, we use the second function with cos, which is in here, and we do it like this. We type cos, so we press second function cos, that's cos inverse. For minus we press this button and then 0.5 and enter. That's the answer, and it has been rounded to 2 decimal places, the same as before. Let's remove the 2 decimal places, come down to float and select enter. Now it has been removed, clear and press enter. It shows at 120 degrees. Now if you want to do hyperbola, sine, cosine and tangent, when you press second function hype, we will see HYP at the top of screen telling us that it has been pressed. And if you want to do sine hyperbola of 5.3, we press second function hype is activated, press sine, now it's sine H 5.3 and press enter, we get the answer. We have also inverse hyperbola for sine, cosine and tangent, so there is inverse. Before there was no inverse, and for that inverse of sine hyperbola of 100, let's change it to radian first. Mode, go to the radian, enter now, and then clear. Now let's say cos hyperbola, inverse of cos hyperbola of 5. So we press second function hype to select hyperbola, and again second function for the inverse of cosine. Again second function cos. Now it says cosine hyperbola inverse, and then 5. Enter. We got the answer. If you want to do tangent, the same way. Second function hype, that's for hyperbola, and then second function tan. Now it's inverse hyperbola of tangent 0.8. By the way, this value cannot, it must be smaller than 1, 0.999, but not equal 1. Thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for this TI-30XS scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also if you have comment or question, post it below the video. Share the video, I appreciate it. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.